another video on the same day. Don't be like, oh, she wearing the same outfit. Does she have any clothes? No, that's not the case. It's more than one video that was when shoot in a day. So in this video now, it will be the frozen melon challenge. So before further ado, let's get into that. Remember guys, to like, share, comment and subscribe. Share with a friend, share with the next one and the next one. And for those who have subscribed, I love you guys so much. Loads, mama. Continue doing what you're doing. I love you all as I continue to create content like these. Thanks for the support guys. I love you guys. Let's go. Oh well guys, we're about to take the melon, as you can see, out the refrigerator. So yes, they have been in there for I guess 2 hours.
Dạ bậy sao vậy?
Too cold.
Đừng cold lên.
My little son.
Oh my god! No, it's like
Yeah, big bag.
phiền lắm. Rồi em phiền lắm. Alice, jag får krypa på pinnen. Come on, jag får god nu.
I see you made my bite them up.
Jag säger kom någon man kan gå en reason. What the
That's not done yet.
Jag gick i långt och gick now. Go on, go on.
Kaya luôn man.
Nói đi, nói rồi.
Me I don't teach cramped.
Beef now. Mà vui nha. Oh, no sir. You better run if you do that, brother.
No, Dad.
No.
Ah, come on. Yo, me win. Nobody can beat me like that. Beat me like no, sir.
Brother, man, make them a small jump.
I shit later problem. Me first done now.
Go and wipe right down with you.
But you see it's up to there.
You're going right down with you.